Welcome to Muna Patil Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about electric motor and electric generator from Maharashtra Board Class 10 Science 1 Chapter 4 Effect of Electric Current. Okay. So here if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and press on the bell icon for further notification. So this is very important chapter in the view of Maharashtra board, and as lengthy in the uh, as a lengthy topic from the lesson, we will going to learn about it separately. Okay. So here definition of electric motor: a device changing electrical energy into mechanical energy is known as electric motor. Simultaneously, we will see the electric generator. Mechanical energy is used to rotate the current carrying coil in a magnetic field around an axle, thereby producing electricity. So here mechanical work change into, or mechanical form of energy change into electricity. And in this device motor, that electrical energy change into mechanical energy. Okay. Now here function of electric motor. Now in this diagram you can see the electrical motor consists of rectangular loop of copper. Okay. Here A, B, C, D is a rectangular loop of copper wire having resistive coating. As shown in the figure, it is placed between the north and south pole. This is the north and south pole of the shoe magnet in such a way that its branches AB and CD are perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. The two ends of the loop are connected to halves X and Y of the split ring. Here it is the X and Y, it's the two half circle, or that is why it said two halves. So it is what X and Y is the two halves here, which is connected to the this ABCD loop in the both the end of points. Okay. Then the two halves of split ring X and Y have their outer coating surface in contact with the two stationary carbon brushes. These are the carbon brushes E and F. Okay, respectively. When the circuit is compared to shown in figure, the current flow in the branches AB of the loop and A to B through the carbon brushes E and F. Since the direction of the magnetic field is from North Pole to South Pole, according to the Fleming left-hand rules, a force is exerted on the branch AB and pushes it down. Okay, pushes it down. The current in the CD branch is in opposite direction to that AB branch, and therefore force is exerted on the CD branch is opposite direction of that AB. Therefore, a force is exerted on the branch CD in upward direction. Thus, loop and axle start rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. So, after half rotation, the two halves of the split ring X and Y come in contact with the carbon brushes E and F respectively, and then the current in a loop start flowing in the direction DCBA. Therefore, a force is exerted on the branch DC in downward, DC will be downward direction, and on the branch BA in upward direction, and loop continue to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. Thus, the current in loop is revised after each half rotation, and the loop and the axle continue to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. So, commercial motor run on the same principle, but practical change are made in their construction. So, okay. Then here, next. So, this we have just studied with the help of this diagram. and definition of electric generator, which is opposite to the electric motor. So here mechanical energy change into electrical energy. So let me see the working of this electric generator. So as in the diagram shown here, magnetic shoe magnet is given and the coil is adjusted in between both the poles. Okay. So according to the Fleming right hand rule, electric current is produced in the branches AB and CD in the direction A to B and C to D, like A, B, C, D. In the external circuit, the current flow from B2, here B2 to B1 through the galvanometer. This is the galvanometer. Okay. If instead of one loop coil, a coil is consisting of several turns is used, the current of magnetic several time flow after half rotation, and branches AB takes the place of branches CD, and the branch CD takes the position of branch AB. Therefore, induced current goes as DCAB, DCBA. Okay. Then, but the branch BA is always contact with the brush B1 and branch DC is contact with the B2. Hence, this external circuit current flow from B1 to B2, that is opposite to the previous half rotation. This repeat after every half rotation and alternating current is produced. This is what called AC generator. Okay. So here we have seen the diagrammatic explanation and it is given in the next slide also, that you can make the notes with the help of this. Okay. Now actually the difference in electric motor and electric generator, again we will revise here. A device changing electrical energy into mechanical energy is known as electrical motor. So here the diagram has shown and the diagrammatic representation of working is also given here. Now electric generator. Mechanical energy is used to rotate the current carrying coil in magnetic field around an axle, thereby producing electricity. So, the mechanical energy convert into electrical energy. Here, the diagrammatic representation and actually the machine as shown here. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I will again upload the new videos to you, and for that you had like my video, then press on the like button and share this video to your friend. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.